Welcome. Today I'll show you how you can quit applications, or more precisely force quit them on macOS. I'm speaking specifically about macOS, but this basically works the same way between like even the old school Macs, like the MacBooks, just like the straight up MacBooks, old school one that were, for instance, running like leopards and stuff like that, snow leopards. It all works the same way. So if you're first wondering what the force quit option is for, it's for apps that basically stopped responding and you can't close them. They're just constantly spinning and not wanting to quit. So to basically close them off forcibly, you would press right here on the Apple logo and select force quit. And this brings up all the running applications. So right now I have 3 of them. As you can see, there's Spotify that is running, Safari, and Finder. Now, Finder is basically your entire OS. So you all that you can see Windows and all that stuff. But if you closed it, it will automatically reopen. So I'm just gonna demonstrate it. So as you can see, even when you select it, it shows you relaunch. I'm not exactly sure this won't stop my recording. If it does, I guess I'm just gonna cut it at that point. But if it doesn't, I'm just gonna continue watching, or not watching, but recording. And it continues to record, no problem. As you can see, there's also Spotify and Safari. So if I select force quit, you can see this dot right here. It will just vanish. Boop, and it's off. So there we go. That is the force quit option. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.